It is your block. And it get shot. I gotta share this out somehow. I ain't got like anybody. Oh yes you are, baby girl. Sorry, I didn't see you down here. I'm so aggravated, y'all. I don't even know if anybody really knows how many followers I have on this page. Should I go to one of the Lisa Richard ones? What do you guys think? Should we go over there? Oh, really? That many over here? Huh. Yeah, we'll just stay here then. That's a lot. I think that's more than one of the Lisa Richard pages. Suspended, both of them. I mean, the other one rightfully so. The second one, not so much. I don't know what the hell that was about, but okay. Lay down, buddy. Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. It's okay. You want to be seen. You want to be shown. Here come some people. It's late too. We gotta like it and share it. There's nobody sharing. Now I gotta block that person. Like, gosh, man. Hey. It's okay. Nope. And didn't even get to eat or anything yet. Nothing. What the fuck was that? Jesus Christ. Scared the hell out of me. I am not dealing with anything right now. At 12:30. We're not opening the door. It never ends. It never fucking ends. Hold on, relax. I'll be running right over because they're locked the fuck out. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Relax.
It wasn't us. Some lady was up there.
Some lady.
By any chance, are you? No, she's one of them.
Oh, okay. Well, what the hell?
I don't know. She had a blue dress on. She went up and hit like every button.
Oh, wow.
And then she walked back up there.
I see her.
Yeah,
Weird.
Yeah. So I could create to let us into 2D, the one that you pointed out for me.
Yeah.
That definitely was it, right?
Oh yeah, that was it.
Alright, thank you.
Uh-huh. Dude. Dude, you're not gonna believe that. The gas guy said that some lady with her face covered in a blue dress, which I seen run up that way. I looked out, she went up that way. Rang all the buzzers, which you heard them, and ran up the street. Wonder who that was. What a mystery. Clowns. Yeah, exactly. Ain't it sketchy? I seen the dress. Ugh. Wow, just wowzer. That was a little weird. That was weird. Very freaking weird. Somebody definitely ran up that way though. Like I looked out and I was like a lady and I saw it though. Oh yeah, the gas guy is really nice. The gas guy is really nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, there is. But why run up the street? I didn't even get a chance to get out there. Like, what did you do? Record it? It'll be up on TikTok that she came here and was ringing the buzzer or something. Just watch. Just watch. I don't know that for sure. I don't know that for sure. It just was very weird. Yeah, I'm lying. I'm lying. And I got the gas guy lying. Everybody's lying. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a little... Yeah. It's a little, weird. Very weird. Very weird. Very bizarre. Very bizarre. What's with this MI lady? I block... Just be quiet, Lisa. The gas man being there, that is not a lie. No, he's there. He's here. Well, when I opened the door, he was like, it wasn't us, because they're standing out there. And he said it wasn't us, it was some lady, and I mean, I don't know if you guys could hear him, but that's what he said. He said some lady in a dress rang all the buzzers and then ran up the street, and I was like, what? And then I looked up and I seen her, like, the back of her. I seen the back of her, so. No, it's not a bug. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen her page, yeah. Girl. I just blocked this lady. What is the matter with you? That's not why I'm on this page. You have no idea why I'm on this page. Yeah, I saw the videos. It's, yeah. It's freaking 12:30 at night. I can't believe she just did that. If you guys see a video up, you know why she just did that. I didn't even have a chance to get out there. She was gone like the wind. I'll check it, yeah, when I get off. She just keeps taking videos in front of the house. I don't know who the lady is. I don't know who the fuck she is. I've never seen her before in my life. I think she was just trying to get followers. I don't know what she was doing. But, because it started off with merch. And then I don't know what the fuck she's doing. I really have no idea what's happening. Very bizarre. I don't know. I didn't get to see the front of her, but the dress thing, they were definitely in like a long, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, it was weird. It was very weird. I didn't get to see the front of her at all. She was taken off up the street, like, and she was taken off. So, but why ring all the buzzers? She should know my buzzer. Why would you ring all the buzzers? I don't know. This is 3 now. Yes, like a Muslim lady would wear. It's exactly what it looks like. Yep. Huge, like real long and flowy. It's what it looked like. Yep, like a blue color. Very bizarre. Yeah. 5. I'm gonna keep counting them. Ma'am, you have mental issues. Seriously, I don't know what your deal is. Wow. No, it's a real person. It's a real lady. Like, I get messages from that person that I don't know what's wrong with this lady. I don't know. The MI person, like, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with her. Yeah, I don't know if I don't know if she lives up this way. I don't know, but I'm not putting up any more messages. I got banned for that. Nope. Yeah, I saw that. Could be her too, yeah. I don't know. I didn't see the front of her. I did not see the front of her. No, nothing. Nothing, but I did say today she has not been knocking on the door. Because she said in her video, I keep knocking on the door. I'm like, she don't knock on the door. I answer all my doors. You know, she doesn't do it. And now she did it, like, and ran away. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't. I'm starving. I kind of like the chaos. I didn't even get a text. No, I'm so serious. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm so pissed off about my page. Like, it's fucking stupid. Oh my gosh. 6. 666. Lucky 6. Out. Fucking Christ. Like, wow. No, I didn't get it. I got $65 locked up on DoorDash credits. Nothing happened to it. It's just suspended till tomorrow. Okay. Mental issues. I'm sorry. This is very unhinged right here. How many fucking pages do you have, lady? That's 7. Just when I started counting. Wow. They gotta have them ready to go. It is. No, I don't have 10. I have like 5. Yeah, they got them ready to go for this reason, for whatever reason. And it's easier to do it on something like this where there's less people, so. Oh, here. I actually need help getting food. Like, I'm so hungry. Here. What is it again? Oh, Stacy. I'm sorry. I'm getting confused. 145, right? It's this one. It's very psychotic. It's scary, actually. Here, the pinned one, MC Quack, is the CA. Oh yeah, you got it, okay. I thought I had, like, the wrong one. Okay, the pinned one, there you go. I definitely need help for some food, like, real shit. Like, before my second page went down, the lady came in and she's like, oh, how much do you have left? And I said, I have 6, I need 20. And she's like, okay, I got you. And she left. She sent 2. So I appreciate the 2, but I needed 20. She should have just not said anything. Because I was like, okay, I'm going to go eat. And then I was like, God, now I have AIDS. So, yeah. Does somebody say something to you? I don't see them. Ma'am, get out. What a clown. Me is back. I was too busy blocking people. I'm trying. It's pinned. It's pinned Frogs on Parade. If you can help, please. Please help. I don't have enough people. Look, this lady's back. Wow. I'm gonna lose it with this lady. They just come on and troll, babe. It's crazy. Ma'am, what is another way to make money? What is another way to make money at 12:40 at night to get food? I can't get rid of her, no. Wow, yins are just really trying to not let me get food, huh? I'm not in the mood for this shit. Here we go. There you go. There you go, babe. And then I'll just wait and I'll fucking get the money with food. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. My CA's pinned. It's done. Sarah, it's done. You're modded. But I really do need that money for food. Like, I'm so desperate to get, like, this is so ridiculous. Like, people are offering to help with food, and these motherfuckers are tracking them down to, like, this is disgusting. So disgusting. No problem. Go do what you gotta do. I got them. I'm not going back out and opening the door. Okay, get out. Somebody's in the hall. No. $5 ain't delivering shit, ma'am. Nobody's paying Samad. No, I don't. What else? Who else needs blocked? Oh, she does, I guess. Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go, one more time. Thank you. We're getting up there. We're getting up there. DoorDash isn't working. I have my own DoorDash. I bought DoorDash cards. And they, look, am I scared to look at what? Sleeping! Because it won't go through. Don't you think I would do that, ma'am? Shut up! I know, it's annoying though after a while. No. No, 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 no. Coming. I gotta get the dog. Come here, baby. Come on. Hey. Huh? That's right. Shut up. Look at this clown. Bye, clown. Wow. Like, I turned my head for 2 seconds, man. Get off! Stop for a sec. Stop. Let me get you down. I know you want to bark, but you can bark in 1 second. Let me get these people out. Let Mama get the bad people out. Bad people out. Bad people out. It was maintenance. I was like sleeping, yelling at them. I thought it was the gas guy. I know, right? Like bang like that. Bang.